as a lady, you must play. Eh? You must consistently play. Ladies, be telling yourself, you know what? I am precious. I'm honored. I am fearfully. I am going to make it. Today is not a denial. You will be that woman of destiny. Yes. Pastor Leah here, a lady, as you are all ladies. I'm speaking to ladies, mothers, young ladies, and wherever you are as a lady, let's walk this journey. Let's ask ourselves, ladies, haki tunakumbatana na mambo mingi kwa maisha, childhood traumas, background, what people tells us. Oh, and at some point we think that is the end of us. Life is not favoring us. We cannot be able to continue. But I'm here to tell you that there will be obstacles to your destiny. There will be obstacles of fulfilling that purpose that God created you for. But here I am to tell you, it is well, and we are going to overcome. By the way, do you know obstacles? They are not only physical things. Obstacle can also be you, that fear, telling yourself, because so and so did it make it. Hata mimi, imagine sita make. So what do? I quit. But here I am. Ladies, I want to tell you, the moment you discover your purpose, becoming that great leader, becoming that big discipler in your family, becoming that somebody in the society, you think it's going to be easy. You think all of us, we are going to celebrate you. Wacha kujidanganya. We are not going to celebrate you. People discourage you. Will become your enemies. But that does not mean I quit. Life must continue. Journey must continue. Na tunajiuliza, when these obstacles come my way, what am I supposed to do? Number one, ladies, don't quit. Keep doing it. Because fulfilling that destiny, it is not one touch. Ama ni kufurahi na ujikute becoming that what you are destined to become. No. There will be challenges, but I want to encourage you not to quit. Keep doing it. Keep pushing it. Keep starting it. Even if it is financial challenges, keep telling yourself that one day it shall be well with me. Even if it is becoming that doctor. Young ladies, are you listening to me? You once said that I'll become a doctor. I'll become that woman. But here comes a big obstacle of finances imesimama katikati. Hakuna pesa. Marafiki nao ndio hao wamekupotea. Wherever you are asking money for, hakuna mtu anataka kukusikiza. Does it mean niseme enough is enough na nijikunje nianze kulia? No. I'll continue doing it. I'll continue believing it, because the journey of fulfilling your destiny, it is by faith. You are not sure. It is not clear. But what you believe, it is that one day I made this decision. Quitting is not part of me, but getting to that destiny is part of me. Let me give you this example of this woman in the Bible. She kept going to the church every morning. And I was trying to imagine how this woman was looking as she was going to meet the church, because she needed her bread in Luke 18. But she was knocking the door, she was praying, and the door was not even open for her. But you know what happened? She never gave up. To a point, the judge got tired and akasema, give her her bread. So as a woman, when you open that business and you know that you are a business woman, and inafilisika, does it mean itafunga na niseme nijifungie, I die, I lock myself in the house and say enough is enough? I'm not going to continue. My friend, continue. Be telling yourself, encourage yourself and tell yourself, I'm honored. I know who I am. And by the grace of God, I am going to make it. So, simama, jipanguze, endelea na safari, and one day you become oga vizuri, jipakapake makeup, and go saying that one day I will become. Ladies, sometimes we surround ourselves with the people who will always discourage us. Because obstacles, I said, it is not only physical, even people. Hebu jiulize, who is that you talk to when you are so down, when you are so discouraged, when that business is not working? Nani hiyo unaongeleshanga? Who is that you call your friend? My friend, what do you feed yourself with? Because what you feed yourself with, hiyo ndio inatoka. So if you surround yourself with people who are full of negativity, telling you, unajua vile economy iko, unajua hatuwezi make, unajua hata mtu akisoma hakuna kazi, I think the best thing ni kukaa tu kwa nyumba nilee watoto. Then ukiwalea, you see the kind of people you are surrounding yourself with. Remember, bad company corrupts good morals. So if you surround yourself with people that are talking about impossibility, haitawezekana, hatutaenda mahali, my friend, it is what you are going to become. But the moment you surround yourself, imagine this, ladies, with people who are encouraging you, cheering you up, telling you, lady, twende, we are going to make it. Giving up is not our portion. My friend, even if you don't have, even if you are not seeing anything, because of the people that you are surrounding yourself with, you will make it and you will become. So be careful the kind of people you are surrounding yourself with, because these people, they can make you or destroy you. And remember, here we are talking of a destiny. And a destiny is you, yourself, who is working toward fulfilling that destiny. Yeah? So as you figure out on how you are going to make it happen in life, choose friend wisely. Know who is that person that you talk to when you are down, when your child are not doing well, when your children are not doing well. Sorry, who is that person that you talk to? Even when you are down in faith, who is that you learn to? So as a lady, who is your friend? What kind of people are you surrounding yourself with? Because those are the people who will be telling you, even me, I tried, haikuenda mahali, and it doesn't mean because yangu haikuenda mahali, yako haitaenda mahali. The thing here is the attitude towards it. So if your attitude is right, it will be right. But if your attitude is wrong, it will be wrong. So ladies, encourage yourself. And also, as you encourage yourself, as you surround yourself with the right people, wewe, be rooted. Hapa hatuachi, ladies, be rooted in the word of God. Mimi nilikuwa najiuliza, kwa nini Yesu aliambia shetani in Matthew 4, it is written. It is because he had fed himself with the word. He was rooted in the word of God. Do you know the moment people bring discouragement to you, wewe unawaambianga nini? Unawaambianga, I agree with you. Ladies, be telling yourself, you know what? I am precious. I'm honored. I am fearfully. I am going to make it. Delay is not a denial. My time is not yet. So come on, leave me. I will become that what God destined me, or that purpose that I was created for. I will. But the moment you keep hearing those voices, by the way, those voices, they are very loud. Yeah, they are very loud. Discouragement, negative voices are very loud compared to positive voices. But you know what? Wewe, lady, wewe kasichana, you are the one to speak to yourself. Speak positively about yourself. It is not what people say. It is who yourself you say about what you speak. Ni nini hiyo unatoanga kujihusu? Do you prophesy good things about your life? Do you prophesy negativity or positivity? Because it is what you talk about yourself, it is what you are going to become. So ladies, be rooted in the word of God. When they tell you, you are not going nowhere, stand and tell them, I know I'm precious. I am honored before the eyes of the Lord. And the way you are seeing me today, wait, that time will come. I'll become that woman that one day I desired, one day I dreamt of. My children will become those children that I desired, I dreamt that one day they will become. I will become that great business woman. I will get married. Not counterfeit. By the way, wasichana, ladies, young ladies, wale hawajaolewa. Don't be discouraged because it did not work for her. It is not going to work for you. It will work for you. Here I'm saying what is that is coming out of your mouth. If you say, sababu nilimit na counterfeit wa kwanza, so all men, unajua tunasemanga wanaume wote wanafanana, na kuna ingine tunasemanga, sitasema hapa, ingine tunasemanga kuhusu wanaume. But you know what? They are not the same. Yours, wako mahali. So kwa sababu yako iliharibika, ni yako iliharibika, yangu itafanya nini? Haitaharibika. So as a woman, as a young lady, encourage yourself and tell yourself, it doesn't matter how long you have waited, continue believing that one day you'll be called a mother. You become a business woman. Can you imagine? Ladies, simama wewe, jipanguze. Continue with the journey. It is not yet. And as you continue with that, I want you to understand that in this journey of becoming that woman of destiny, na hapa tukisema woman of destiny, ni yule mama anajielewa, akiwa kwa nyumba yake, akiwa ameolewa, by the way, anajielewa, akifanya kazi, anaelewa anafanya kazi hii kwa nini. Remember all that. Hey, as a lady, you must pray. You must consistently pray. You must be that woman that loves God. Because when these challenges comes your way, where do you take them? Have you ever thought of Hannah? Hannah, she knew that barrenness was not her portion. What did she do? Remember how Penina was mocking her every morning, akiamka. Unajua walikuwa wanawake wawili. So you can imagine, mmoja akana watoto na mwingine hana. So you know those languages. Zile tunaongea wamama. And I believe that the women I'm talking to, you will be that woman of destiny, such that you will change. You will not be discouraging others, but you will always be there to encourage them. Don't be like Penina. But it's also good to have Peninas on our journey so that one day they can testify that surely we were made for something. Imagine how she was mocking Hannah every morning to a point, even when she was going to the temple. Hey. My goodness, me even earlier mistake. Alisema, what, you woman, are you drunk? But you know, she was not drunk. She was pouring her heart before God because of the pain she was going through. This mockery, this discouragement. And imagine, ladies, Ericana kept confirming to her, I love you so much. When I give Penina one portion, I give you two portions. But you know what? That was not satisfying Hannah. No, because she knew me, I was not born to be barren. I know in my womb there is something. And that something, at the end of it all, It was not only one child, 5. Plus Samuel, they were 6. Imagine, ladies, ask yourself, if Hannah gave up because after the temple, kutoka kwa maombi, anakutana na mwingine hapa anaitwa Penina hivyo, discouraging her and mocking her. What if she gave up? Angesema, to hell. Wacha mimi, maybe hata Mungu hakuniumba, nimbebe miba ama nizae. But she continued. Imagine with this journey, praying consistently, believing that one day I'll hold a baby like other women. The message for you ladies, the same. We'll face challenges. Discouragement will come your way. By the way, not only people, but even yourself. You can stand and say, fear. Fear, you see fear. Inakwambianga usiendelee, hapana, watakuona aje, halafu ukianza, halafu isijikane. No. Take courage. Overcome that obstacle by telling yourself, I will make it. I will become that lady that God destined for me to become. Hope to cause our ladies. And as we meet next time, I'm waiting to hear whether there is a change in your life.